What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $3,000 easily as a broke teenager. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. All right, guys, before I get into this method, I just want to say this. Thank you for getting me to 4,871 subscribers. I'm almost there to 5,000. So I know we can make it there, guys, this month of December, because I want to give away some free money by December the 25th, by Christmas, guys. 2 people out there are going to get lucky and win some free money. So please, let's get there by the 25th, 5,000 subscribers, guys. And all you have to do is type the code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Club Shop. Now, I've never talked about this website ever. This is my first time talking about it. So guys, you're in for a treat. You're in for a treat. Now, I want to say shout out to Michael Cove. I saw one of his videos, and he was talking about Club Shop. So I said, let me do my research on this website. So I did my research and found out this is a very good website. So let's go over it right quick, and hopefully you guys will be interested in getting into this and go ahead and start making this money on this website. Now, let's scroll down here, and it says here what we offer. So since 1997, millions of people from around the world have joined Club Shop Rewards to get discounts and cash back when they shop online as our Club Shop Mall, or offline when they present Club Shop Rewards card to a participating store or business. Club Shop Rewards online and offline stores and businesses are available to shop at in over 70 countries and growing. Wow. So this is a good website, guys. They've been around for a long time, so you know it's a replicable website. So let's look over here and see what else they're talking about. So save money. So receive club cash when shopping online in our Club Shop online mall. Receive club cash at participating local Club Shop Rewards merchant stores, and receive an instant discount off purchases at participating local Club Shop Rewards merchant stores. And they also got, this is very unique, guys, they got a fundraising. So you can make some money doing fundraising, guys. So earn donations when Club Shop members shop at the Club Shop online mall. Earn donations when Club Shop members shop at local rewards merchant stores. Nonprofit raising is easy and very profitable when selling club shop rewards discount cards. So guys, you can sell some club shop discount cards, and this will be for fundraising because you'll be raising some funds, getting donations, and you can make money from that. That's something else, guys. Now let's scroll down here, and I want to show you this. So you can join for free, and when you join, you can become a shopper member. So get paid to shop online at Club Shop Mall and offline with Club Shop. I guess it's supposed to be club, look like Clum, but Club Shop Rewards Card Merchants. And you can become affiliate member. So get paid to shop and get paid to refer people to become members. Or you become, let me move myself out the way, or you can become a partner. So get paid to shop and get paid to refer people and have your own Club Shop Rewards Mall, global sales organization, and home business. Guys, so these are the 3 ways you can make money on this site. I recommend you to go ahead and try to do the affiliate. Well, no, try. I recommend you to do the affiliate marketing because you don't need any money to start with the affiliate member. I said affiliate marketing. I mean affiliate member. But now, if you want to do the partner, you're going to have to spend some money because you got to start up a mall, get a website, and all that stuff. But you can make a lot of money becoming a partner. So I suggest you become affiliate member first and then work your way up to partner after you make some money being an affiliate member. Now let's just scroll down here and check this out. So how will I receive my Club Cash redemption? Everybody I know you guys want to know that. So Club Shop Rewards offer the following methods to receive your Club Cash: PayPal, ADV Cash, and Solid Trust Pay. So everybody's familiar with PayPal, so I suggest you use PayPal. And if you have not started a PayPal account, go ahead and start one at paypal.com. You don't need no money or anything to start, and you can get started right away so you can get this PayPal money once you cash in your Club Cash. Now, as you can see here, it's backed by Jet.com, Walmart, Nutrisystem, Overstock. That's some popular ones, guys. Very, very popular. And now, let's see what the people got to say. We always want to know what the people got to say. So, this person right here says, the Club Shop Rewards Card fundraiser was easy, hassle-free, and the fundraising service we received from Club Shop Rewards was second to none. Our Vineland Elementary School raised a lot of money by selling almost 3,000, guys, 3,000 in Club Shop Rewards cards. Thank you very much for this great fundraiser. Wow, guys, that's something else. So you can make $3,000 off this site. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. So if you are ready to make this money on this site, just go to clubshop.com to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please look out for that code word that popped up somewhere in this video. It may have not popped up yet, so you got to keep watching, guys. Keep watching all the way to the end. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for your support, and keep on supporting me, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content and keep giving away free money. Please drop a creative comment, guys, because I want to shout out somebody on my next video. So please drop a creative comment in the comments below. All right, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a very prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.